The sparrow chirps at break of day. In city trees it loves to stay. The peacock spreads its tail so wide. With colors bright it loves to glide. The eagle soars up high and free. The king of skies so bold to see. The owl comes out when night is near. Its hooting call is all you hear. In its wake, the parrot talks with flair and cheer, repeats your words for all to hear. The woodpecker with tapping beat drums on trees with tiny feet. The flamingo stands on one thin leg. By waters calm it lays its egg. Penguin waddles in the snow, no flying wings but fast below. The kingfisher in colors bright dives down fast to catch its bite. Each bird is special, wild or